Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane, blow up the brain. I go insane. I drop a check on the chain. Fuck up a check.
What's up YouTube? It's Alan and I'm back with a fresh video. It's 2018 and in this first video of 2018 I'm going to run you through the top 17 sneakers that I picked up in 2017. Alright, so before we get into the video, I must let you know that at the start of 2017 I took an oath saying that I would only buy sneakers which were either exclusive or limited editions or collabs. That I thought was a way I could save some money and not go overboard buying sneakers. But despite that, I ended up picking up 45 pairs of sneakers. And before we start with the sneaker that comes in at number 17, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe because I have a lot of fun content around sneakers and streetwear. Also a couple of travel logs every now and then. And if you see any of the sneakers amongst the top 17 that made it to your list, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. So coming up at number 17 is the Adidas Ultra Boost Parlay collab. Now like you would know, this pair has 11 bottles that were recycled from the ocean's bed. So all the trash that people throw into the sea is recycled and put into materials in this sneaker. I always love the Parlay, I love the concept, I love what Adidas is doing with it. And this colorway was my favorite, especially with the detailing. So that's it at number 17. Coming in at number 16 is the Bedouin and the Heartbreakers NMD. Now this sneaker dropped the same weekend as the Bape NMD, and because of the hype around the Bape NMD, a lot of people slept on these. But this has to be amongst my favorite NMDs because the minimal detailing, that's synonymous with Bedouin and the Heartbreakers of Japan. Yeah, so this one is when I want to dress up or probably wear a shirt, look smart, my go-to sneaker. At number 15, yet another Adidas sneaker, yet another NMD. This one is the Porter collab Chukka. I love it because Porter threw in a bit of the fabric that they used to make their bags. Porter as in Yoshida Kaban of Japan again. Do I have a Japanese obsession? I don't know. But I loved it because it was a throwback to the original NMD. Coming in at number 14, finally a break from all the Haridas. This is the Dover Street Market collab with Vans and Antisocial Social Club. Now I hate Antisocial Social Club because they failed to ship 2 of my packages. They've taken my money, they stopped responding to my emails, they haven't even given me a refund, so that's money down the drain. So this sneaker I picked up before that experience, and let me assure you, no matter how hot a collab they have or how good their stuff will ever be in the future, I mean apart from the Gildan Blanks of course, I'm never shopping from them because the experience was pathetic and dismal. But then again, this collab also has Dover Street Market in it, which is why I love it. Nice pink hits, nice laces before Virgil did the shoelaces. At number 13, we have the sneaker that I picked up last in 2017, the Air Max 97 Silver Bullet OG. I never was feeling it, but because I had my eye on the undefeated Air Max 97, I couldn't score that. I decided to just pick these up. There is one more Air Max 97 in this countdown. If you know which one, drop a comment before we get to the sneaker. At number 12, Haridas makes a comeback. Yet another NMD. This one is the white mountaineering NMD and it's the NMD R2. I think I could call this my most comfortable NMD because the prime knit on this, the fit on these NMDs is something else. I mean compared to all of the NMDs that I have, including the City Sock, that's the only other prime knit NMD that I have. This one is by far my favorite. It's seen a lot of wear. At number 11 is a sneaker that nobody would have guessed to see here. This one's the Bape Puma collab of the Blaze of Glory. Now the Blaze of Glory is easily, oh fuck you kids. Now the Blaze of Glory is easily my favorite Puma silhouette. I love this sneaker and especially because not many people own these sneakers. So this one, although it's a really old drop, I copped it this year. Oh by the way, this t-shirt is a Cold Wall collab with Fragment Design. I bought it off HBX. It's a very snug fit. It was supposed to be an oversized fit and I picked up an L and it fits me quite snug. I don't know, but I like the t-shirt. Nice minimal detailing. Alright, let's get into sneaker number 10. This is the other Air Max I was talking about. The Air Max 97 Riccardo Tisci. I wanted this sneaker because I knew that the hype around this is going to be minimum. And this sneaker, although not an easy cop, this is the first Air Max 97 that's a mid. The other Air Max 97 with the silver bullet, where's that? Ah. Like you can see is a low. It feels very luxurious because of the gold hits and all of that. And this sneaker, Air Max 97 Riccardo Tisci, coming in at number 10. The Trapstar Puma Sugi Blaze. Like I was saying, the Blaze of Glory is my favorite silhouette, and this one is a mix between the Blaze of Glory and the Sugi sole. So this sneaker that I wore the heck out of in Dubai and at Seoul DXB, coming in at number 9. Now at number 8 is a sneaker that I would generally or normally not buy, because like you could see from all of my earlier sneakers, they're all a runner silhouette and are kind of chunky. But Samir Rana of Style Spy Images convinced me that these sneakers are not to be missed. When I was in Dubai, I got my hands on the Yeezy Power Face Calabasas. And this is shout out to Samir. Got them at retail, half the Indian retail price by the way. Although it's not very expensive a sneaker, the leather and the color makes it feel very luxurious. At number 7, we have the first Yeezy sneaker. Now I'm sure a lot of you hype beasts would have been like, where the hell are the Yeezys? You picked up so many this year. And although the Zebra also was this year, that didn't make it to the list because it's all over the place. But the cream whites, I don't know, I like the cream whites, although I struggle to wear them and I wore them a fair bit. There's something about them that I prefer over the Zebras. So here you have the first Yeezy in the countdown, coming in at number 7. And it looks like it's the year of the Haridas, because at number 6 we have the Mastermind EQT Mid with Boost. But let me tell you one thing, once you try out Boost and PrimeNet, nothing comes remotely close to comfort. So these sneakers I wear when I'm going to be doing a lot of walking around, a lot of standing through the day. These are my go-to sneakers. So at number 6, you have the Mastermind Mid EQT Boost. Alright, so now we're down to the top 5. Coming in at number 5, a sneaker that's not from 2017, but nonetheless, I picked it up in 2017. Shout out to the man Pratham and Akhil for helping me cop these gold medal Ultra Boost 2.0s at retail. You can see they're freaking dirty because I wear them all the time. I think this is the sneaker I've worn the most in 2017. Coming in at number 4 is the Converse Chuck Taylor. If you've been following me on Instagram, which you should, you would know that I have a rather romanticized relationship with the Chuck Taylors. And this Chuck Taylor, which is the collab with Commode Garcion with the hit of the heart right there, makes it at number 4. So coming in at number 3, we have the Air Jordan 1 Royals. Picked these up from amongst few in Dubai. Had to wait a fair bit to get them down to India. But these, after the breads, which topped my list in 2016 by the way, are my favorite sneakers to wear with jeans, especially with Levi's. It stacks up perfectly with these. That's sneaker number 3. I have a fair idea that nobody's going to guess what comes in at number 2, because again this sneaker is not a 2017 release. It's from 2016, and I have to thank the man Samir Rana yet again, because he's the guy that copped one of 8 Bape NMDs that made it to India, or to Bombay rather, and then he passed this on to me at retail. So this sneaker, the Bape NMD, is my ultimate flex sneaker. Whenever somebody says, what's the rarest sneaker that you have? Pop comes out the answer, the Bape NMD. Drum roll for number 1. A lot of you are probably not expecting this, and a bunch of you are probably not going to agree either. But at number 1 is the Air Force 1 Rockefeller collab. The reason I love this sneaker and the reason it's at number 1 is because the Air Force 1 has always been my favorite sneaker. And on this specific model, the quality of the leather they've used and the fact that it's a Rockefeller Records collab, like hip hop is my favorite, Jay-Z, 50 Cent, all of them, it all combines into this one phenomenal sneaker. I know there's not a lot of hype around it, but this is my number 1 sneaker. A classic triple white Air Force 1 with just the right amount of hits to make it exclusive. So those were the top 17 sneakers that I picked in 2017, you guys. If you think otherwise, let me know in the comments what should have been the order of the top 3 or the top 5. If you disagreed with the listing, I'm eager to hear. And here's hoping that 2018 is a much more exciting year for sneakers. And I must thank you guys for your subscriptions, for your thumbs up, your comments, because that's what keeps me going. Appreciate it, I truly do. You've hit 1500 subscribers and I hope to get to a bigger number by end of 2018. Spread the word, tell a friend to tell a friend, and until next time you guys, peace.